how to turn on or turn off calls and audio from the car multimedia Bluetooth connection on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down and tap on connections. Next, tap on Bluetooth, tap on the left hand side panel. Now at the top here, make sure you turn on Bluetooth. Then go down. If you have already paired with your car multimedia, then tap on the settings icon. Now if you haven't paired your car multimedia with your phone, you need to go down to the available devices section, and then you need to connect to your car multimedia system. Once it is paired and connected, tap on the settings icon. In here, you can tap on calls. So tap on the calls toggle button to switch on or switch off calls. The same for audio. So you can switch it on or off. If you switch it on and it automatically turns off, that means your phone has not been able to connect to your car multimedia system. So maybe you need to turn on your car. Maybe you need to go close to the car to switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.